Your 20s are the most powerful years for your financial future. Every choice, every habit you set now can either open doors to financial freedom or lock you into a cycle of financial struggle. Let's talk about 5 major financial mistakes most people make in their 20s. And trust me, avoiding these can set you apart from the crowd. Now, how many times have you heard, "I'll worry about saving later," or "I'll make up for it when I earn more"? Sounds familiar, right? Let's see why these beliefs are so dangerous. Mistake number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. It might seem okay now, but here's the twist. This habit creates a lifestyle trap. Imagine this, an unexpected car repair or sudden job loss, and you're left in survival mode. This is how debt becomes a way of life, not just a momentary setback. The financial stress, the lack of options, it can steal years from your life. But here's the good news. There's a way out that most people overlook, and it brings us to the second mistake. Mistake number 2, ignoring the power of an emergency fund. Picture this, a stash of cash that lets you handle anything life throws your way without skipping a beat. Think of it as the financial version of a superhero cape, except it doesn't come with tights. Now, not having this fund means you're one unexpected expense away from chaos. Start small. Even $500 can change the game in an emergency. From there, aim for 3 to 6 months of your expenses. You'll feel the weight lift and you'll know you're ready for anything. But there's an even bigger mistake that will cost you more than just money. Here's mistake number 3, ignoring debt, especially credit card debt. Credit cards make it easy to spend money you don't have. And let's be honest, it's tempting to swipe for that new gadget or an impulsive vacation. Now, have you ever thought about what 20% interest really does to your balance? Let's say you owe $1,000 and just pay the minimum. That balance can last for years, and you could end up paying double the original amount. It's a hidden trap that keeps you from building wealth. The sooner you tackle debt, the sooner you can start growing your money instead of shrinking it. So, what's a habit you can build now that will help prevent this? Mistake number 4, delaying investing. Many people believe investing is something you do later, when you're making more money. But here's the truth. The sooner you start, the less you have to contribute overall. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world because it's money making money, which then makes more money. Investing even small amounts early can lead to huge returns. Picture yourself in your 40s or 50s with a portfolio that grew because you invested in your 20s. That's not just a dream, it's a possibility if you start now. But there's one final mistake that could undo all the good work of avoiding these first 4. And mistake number 5, not having a financial plan or a budget. Most people don't know where their money goes, and that's why they stay broke. Your budget is not a restriction. It's a map that shows you the way to your goals. Think of a budget as a gym membership for your money. You wouldn't expect results without showing up, right? A simple plan will make sure your money is working for you, not just slipping through your fingers. Without a plan, every dollar you make is vulnerable to being spent on things that don't get you closer to financial freedom. So, there you have it. The 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Each one of these can change the course of your financial future, either by keeping you broke or setting you on a path to wealth. Start small, but start today. Take these choices seriously because your future self is counting on you. And if you're ready to dive deeper into a wealth-building tool that does the heavy lifting for you, check out our next video on the power of compounding. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Watch now to unlock the secret that could change everything. Subscribe for more.